QR code functionality within GHL keeps getting better and better. So they have introduced some new features recently, which I'm going to show you. Mainly how to create a VCard. VCard is a QR code. When someone scans the QR code, automatically your contact information is transferred to their phone and they can save it in the phone. This is very useful if you go to a conference, you want to share your contact information. If you're doing a presentation, you put a QR code for people to get your contact information. Then you can just use this QR code. And the neat thing about the system is all your QR code is organized in one place. You can even create different folders for QR codes. For example, like your offers can be in a specific folder, your personal information can be in a specific folder, etc. So you can create hundreds of QR codes and organize them. The other important feature is there is analytics. So if someone scans the QR code, it is automatically tracked, and you can actually see. So if you go to a presentation, put your QR code, you can actually see how many people actually scanned your QR code here, because every time someone scans, it actually tracks, which is a neat feature as well. So let's go back, and then I'm going to show you how to create a VCard inside. So I normally use an app called Blink. And of course, it's an external app. It functions very well, but now everything is integrated in one place, so I don't have to use an external app for this. So I'm going to click on QR code. When you click on QR code, you come to this screen, and you can see how many different options you have, like website, review link. You can actually have a QR code where people scan it immediately. They can call you or send an SMS or email you. You can have payment, WhatsApp. It can go to a survey if you want them to use a QR code for that. A very neat feature, so they don't have to remember the website address or extension. And then the new things which have been introduced is profile card, VCard, and business card. Okay, so all three of them are similar but has different features. I'm going to show you the VCard. If you click on the VCard, right, so that's what I want to create, because I want people to scan my QR code and enter, automatically transfer my information to their phone. And then you can name it whatever you want, business VCard or something like that. And then I'm going to click on next, and then it asks for basic information. I'm going to say John Smith. The only thing which is needed is the phone number. So I'm going to say 123. And then you can enter a mobile number if you want, and then your email address. And then if you have a website, and then you can actually upload an image. Let's use this one. This is a PNG file. Then click on next, and then you can actually select how the QR code looks. Select a background color, what the color of the dots is. You can even select the shape. If you want a different shape, if you want a circle or square, I'm going to leave it as it is. And then I'm going to actually put my logo in the middle because it's branded to my company, right? So let's go and select, this looks good. So if you see here, my logo is in there or my branding is there. And then you can put a page background if you want, a different background. So now I can download it. I'm done. Business VCard is here. I can share it. I can download it anytime I want. So the QR code functionality, so people actually pay a lot of money for this thing, but it's available inside your CRM for free, and it's unlimited. You can create as many as you want. Please use this function.